All right, Ashley. So I wanted to show you the steps you should be taking in order to actually get logged into everything properly. So first, you're going to go to accounts.google.com. So that's what I put in here, and it comes up with this long thing. But if you'll just type in accounts.google.com, that brings you to your G Suite login. And you're going to put in your G Suite email address. So for you, that's Ashley143063 at georgiacyber.org. And then we're going to put in your password, which I won't say out loud on here, but you send it to me. So when you do that, it brings up your whole Google account. And let's see, you can go here and you can manage your account. You don't really need to do that, but you'll be able to go from here to your Gmail. So once you're logged in, you can go to Gmail, you can go to whatever you need to. But the important thing is that you're already logged into here. So you're logged into your G Suite account. From there, then you're going to log into Clever. So clever.com/in/GCA, not this teacher stuff that's just popping up. So clever.com/in/GCA. And it will automatically, I'm in an incognito window in Google, so it's not remembering, but it should automatically kick you into your Clever account once you're logged into G Suite. I'm clicking login with Google, and now it is going to take me in as you. But you shouldn't even have to do that. It should dump you right into your Clever page without even having to log in. And then you'll click on Canvas within here. And once you do this, if you're logging in the proper way like that, you should be able to click on your calendar and everything will populate. So don't log directly into Canvas separately. Don't log into Clever separately. You have to log into that G Suite account first and then come this way. Also, I'd recommend checking that Canvas inbox. I see you have 8 messages in there. So from here, you can access your calendar and you can access your courses. And that's where you go to your Jigsaw. So like we discussed before, you can click on any of these courses. If you click on Jigsaw within one of those, it will bring you to your whole Jigsaw list there. And there looks like you still do need to be added to a couple of your Jigsaw classes. So I will email your teachers about that as well. But that's how you would get in and see everything on your calendar. Let me know if that doesn't help or if you have any more questions at all.